If your brain is 90% unused, explain your last text message. Science says otherwise. Here's the truth. Brain scans show activity across almost the whole brain, even during sleep. The 10% myth started from misquotes, bad analogies, then went viral because people love mystery. Using more of your brain doesn't mean instant genius or teleportation. Brain regions specialize: memory, movement, emotion. So different parts light up for different tasks. So no, you can't unlock a secret superpower by chanting or buying a flashy gadget. But good news, learning, sleep, exercise actually boost brain power. No snake oil required. Myth busted. Go do a push-up for your neurons.